Today, we will be discussing about the protein synthesis or the making of proteins. So, meron itong dalawang steps. At ang una ay ang transcription, which is the process of taking single gene of DNA and copying it to have mRNA. And the second one is the translation, where the mRNA strand is used to produce protein. Our discussion, we will only focus on discussing the translation. So, here's the processes of translation. We have initiation, elongation, and of course, determination. During the translation, the mRNA act as a code for a specific protein because each set of 3 bases of mRNA or the codon will code for a specific anticodon, which will be carried by specific transfer of RNA. And tRNA are linked to a particular amino acids, meaning each tRNA is attached to a specific amino acids. And the arrangement na makikita natin is tinatawag natin siyang reading frame. Since meron siyang 4 possible bases and per codon is meron tayong 3 letters, so 4 cubed will give us a 64 possible codons. Let's now proceed to the processes or steps of translation. The first one, we have initiation. During initiation, the components of the translational apparatus come together with an mRNA and a tRNA carrying the first amino acid that binds to the start codon. So, dito, nag-attach yung small ribosomal subunit sa mRNA, specifically sa start codon, which is yung ating AUG. And then, dumating dito yung unang tRNA na may amino acid na methionine, na yun nga, yung ating AUG. And nag-join din dito yung large ribosomal subunit na siyang naging dahilan kung bakit kompleto yung ating ribosome. Second process is the elongation. During elongation, amino acids are brought to the mRNA by tRNAs and are added one by one to a growing polypeptide chain. So, dito, binabasa ng ribosome yung mga codon ng paisa-isa. Tapos, yung bawat codon is may kapareho silang tRNA na dumadating dala ang tamang amino acid. So, nagkakabit-kabit dito yung mga amino acid sa isa't isa para humaba yung chain or yung tinatawag nating peptide bond. And gumagalaw yung ribosome papunta sa sunod na codon or parang sliding mRNA. For the last process, we have the termination. During termination, a stop codon in the mRNA is recognized by a protein release factor, and the translational apparatus comes apart, releasing a completed polypeptide. So, dito sa termination, dito na naabot ng ribosome yung stop codon at walang tRNA na tumutugma dito. Dito rin may nagre-release ng factor na darating para putulin or i-cut na yung bagong protein na nanggaling sa tRNA. And sa termination, dito rin nangyayari yung paghihiwalay ng mga ribosome, large and small subunit, at saka yung mga mRNA.